So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do a really easy Lululemon hack so you can look good this spring and summer. Okay, so first things first, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch through the whole thing so you can see the final result at the end. Okay, so with any great project, the first thing you have to do is some research. So we're going to do it two different places. We're actually going into the Lululemon store, which we're in right now, and then we're also going to check out the website. So what we're trying to see is where the Lululemon placement is on these jackets and tops, and usually it's on the left hand side near the bottom of the jacket. If you have a shirt, it's going to be on the very back of the shirt, FYI. So that's good. So now we know where to place our Lululemon logo. Here is some pictures from the actual website. As you can see, this is the style that they are currently selling, 2023 spring collection. You can see it's a little bomber jacket, very lightweight, muted color, very simple. So when we're looking for a piece, we want it to look similar to these pieces. And as you can see, it's more of the logo placement. They have the Lululemon's arm, and again on the left hand side you actually get the logo. Okay, so we know what we're looking for, and this is the jacket I found at the thrift store. It was literally $8.99, and as you can see, it is in a very similar style to the jackets that they are selling this spring. Make sure there's no additional logos from the actual maker. This one is made by Champion, no logos on it. Awesome. So as you can see there, we have the actual logos, which I just bought off of eBay. I think they were like, you know, $5-10, can't even remember. I probably less than $10. Just look up Lululemon logos on eBay and you'll find them. So these are iron-on logos, FYI, and we are just gonna iron them on. So now with this material, it's very sensitive to heat, so I put my little mini iron pretty much on the lowest setting possible. You start off by just warming up the area that you're planning to place the logo. So again, make sure you watch that temperature, because yeah, you can both burn a hole in these jackets. Don't want to do that. All right, so here I'm just deciding on my placement. Where exactly do I want it? And boop, I just put it right there. It's sticky on that side, so you're good to go. It shouldn't shift too much. You put a layer of parchment right on top of the logo, and then you press it on. You see me moving the iron a little bit? Yeah, don't do that. Just just press it. Put a tiny little bit of pressure on it for, I think you hold it for about 10-20 seconds, maybe 30 at the most, just to make sure you heat that area up sufficiently. And again, please make sure you put some type of barrier between the iron and the logo and the plastic. Don't want to burn it up. Okay, so once you do the front side, you gotta head to the back and you just repeat the process. It's exactly the same thing. Okay, and so while we're watching that, please, once again guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and stay to the end, because you're gonna absolutely love the result. And we're just going to turn it around and do one more press of the logo, just for good measure, to make sure that our logo is on there nice and firm and it's not coming off. And so the last step is to actually just peel this plastic off of the logo. Please, please go slow, take your time, because if you go too fast and maybe you didn't heat it up properly, it can come off. And if that's the case, that's fine. You just repress your logo and it should be good to go. And there you have it. Ours actually worked out wonderfully, and see how beautiful that is. Ooh, looks good. And yeah, we're just gonna make sure that it cools down, test it a little bit, make sure it's good to go, and it is. So time to try this bad boy on. And there you have it. Isn't that a good look? Looks great. So yeah, leave a comment, tell me how it worked out for you, if you love it, and you'll be ready to go with Lululemon this summer. Nobody's gonna know, guys. Nobody's gonna know.